Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove a background from an image. Okay, very easy, very simple. I want you to go ahead and click on Google Chrome and look for this website over here. It's called remove.bg. Okay, you want to click on the website, then you want to scroll down and then you want to click upload image. This is where you're going to select the image that you want to remove the background from. Let's pick up photo library. Okay, then you want to scroll down and we're going to use this image over here of this Ferrari. All you gotta do is to click done, and this is how simple it is. As you can see, it's not only this, there are plenty of other functions underneath. You can add a background, you can place a car background, you can place a water background, desert background, a city background, right, a road background. Very interesting. But this is how simple it is, guys, to simply replace the background on an image. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.